Hello dear students, in this small video we will see how to calculate reaction force when blocks are in contact. Say there are two blocks M1 and M2, this is the two blocks, they are in contact. Some force is being applied in this direction, okay. So because of which, due to which the system accelerates forward. So this say the surface is smooth surface. Now how to calculate reaction force? Where is the reaction force? Reaction force is between the two surfaces here, okay. So this reaction force, let me call it as R12. How to calculate R12? Let me write free body diagram for both M1 and M2. We will write equation for acceleration as well as reaction force. Free body diagram of M1, okay. On M1, normal reaction is acting upwards, weight is acting downwards, but block is not moving along the vertical, so they get cancelled. And F is acting in this direction, F is acting in this direction, but what is happening here? There is a opposition here, there is M2, no? M2 is opposing, okay, in the form of reaction force. Between these two surfaces there is a reaction force now. That reaction force is acting in this direction R12, okay, towards the body. And why we have taken in the opposite direction of force? Because this reaction force is not allowing mass M1 to move easily, okay. So due to which there is some acceleration is towards right. So what does it mean? Applied force F is greater than R12, F minus R12 is equal to M1A, I can write, okay. If I write free body diagram for mass M2, what happens? M2. On M2, only one force is acting, that is R12, reaction force. Why? F is not directly being acted upon M2. So it is acted upon M1 plus M2 together. So here, who is here? Some reaction force is developed between the two surfaces. That force is pushing M2. Okay. So with respect to M2, R12 is in this direction. With respect to M1, R1 is in the opposite direction. Is very important. Now due to this R12 only, the mass is acceleration. So therefore, reaction force R12 is equal to M2 into A. Okay. Now what is F here? F is equal to M1A plus R12. What is R12? R12 is M2A. R12 is M2A. So what happens? This implies F is equal to M1 plus M2 into A, or acceleration is equal to F divided by M1 plus M2. So calculating acceleration is basically simple, but you need to observe how we calculated reaction force. If I generalize this equation, say there are many blocks in contact, okay. So M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, say there are many blocks in contact, some force is applied, F is applied, due to which system is accelerating, okay, acceleration is A. So this is M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. So here say the reaction force is R12, here the reaction force is R1, R23, reaction force between 2 and 3. This force is R34, reaction force. Here the reaction force, let it be R45. See, reaction force developed here is smallest, because this reaction force has to push only M5. This reaction force has to push M4 and M5 both. Then how we will write equation for reaction force? R45 is equal to M5 into A. Okay, easy. R34 is equal to M4 plus M5. It has to push both the masses, M4 plus M5 into A. Okay. R23 is equal to M3 plus M4 plus M5 into A. M3 plus M4 plus M5 into A. Here R12, this reaction force has to push 1, 2, 3, 4. R12 is equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 into A. Now, how to write the equation for acceleration? Acceleration is equal to net force acting on system divided by total mass, F divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 plus M5. Acceleration. Finding the acceleration is, most of the times it is very easy, because net force divided by total mass. Only thing which you may do mistake, or you have to understand, is this reaction force. With respect to M1 it is in this direction, with respect to M2 is in the opposite direction. That is why you might have observed, even in the case of two masses connected by a string, in some textbooks they will give both the directions for the tension in the same string. So, that is because with respect to one block there is one direction, with respect to another block there is another direction.